gonna make plastic from milk and vinegar. 1 cup of milk. This is 2% milk, but if you can get 1% or low-fat free milk, that'll be better. Vinegar, a strainer, and a mold. So that can be a cookie cutter or like a sand mold. I'm going to use a simple eggshell mold. Step 1, we need to heat the milk. Okay, bowl into the microwave for 2 minutes. Now, time to add my 4 teaspoons of vinegar. One, 2, 3, 4. You can see it's starting to clump. So stir for about 1 minute. So after straining the milk and vinegar out of the casing, which is the plastic, I scooped it out and this is what I got. So there's a lot of liquid in there, so I'll pat it out. My plastic here, right here. It's a hot day outside. Perfect for plastic drying. And there you go. Plastic made from milk and vinegar.